Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice pudding. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of short grain rice, 4 cups of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Don't forget a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. For aromatic notes, have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a cinnamon stick ready. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious, creamy dessert. Now let's begin cooking the rice. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 1 cup of short grain rice, 2 cups of the whole milk, and the pinch of salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, making sure it doesn't boil vigorously. Cook for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking, until the rice has softened and absorbed much of the liquid. Next, we'll add the sweetness and additional liquid. Stir in the remaining 2 cups of whole milk and your 1/2 cup of sugar. This is also the perfect time to add the cinnamon stick, which will infuse a wonderful, warm aroma into your pudding. Continue to simmer the mixture gently for another 15 to 20 minutes, stirring frequently, until the pudding thickens to your desired creamy consistency. Finally, let's finish our delicious rice pudding. Remove the saucepan from the heat and carefully discard the cinnamon stick. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic, comforting flavor. You can serve your rice pudding warm, or chill it for a few hours for a refreshing cold dessert. Garnish with a sprinkle of ground cinnamon or fresh fruit if you like. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.